Handshake AI account not because of spam, not because of fraud, but because of one mistake most people are making right now. And without wasting time, let us begin. First and foremost, welcome to Godola. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more tips and various ways of earning online. Before we continue, let us go through there. You can see that account suspended. This account has been suspended by our trust and safety team for a potential violation of our terms of service. What happens next? Have additional questions about your account? Please contact us. So before I tell you the exact reason as to why my account was suspended, so that you can avoid, let us go through the terms of service. And I went through their terms of service to see whether I bleached any of them, and I want us to do a quick check on their terms of service, and it was updated in February 10, 2025. Welcome to Handshake AI, an AI interviewer tool built by Handshake. Candidates who choose to experience Handshake AI will have the opportunity to answer questions regarding their professional experience and interest in a particular role, as well as ask questions for more details on their role. So let us go to the specific issue: account creation. In order to access the services, you may be required to register for an account on the Handshake AI site. If required to register for an account, you agree to register for and maintain an active user account on the Handshake AI. Prohibited activities. Let's go through these prohibited activities so that I can tell you the exact activity that led to my accounts being suspended. As a user of Handshake AI, you agree to not engage in nor assist any third party in engaging in any of the following: reverse engineering. You will not decompile, disassemble, reverse engineer, or attempt to reconstruct or derive any source code, algorithm, structures, or ideas from the Handshake AI site, or any related information by any method. Unauthorized distribution. You will not distribute, disclose, or allow use of Handshake AI site in any format via time sharing, devices, service, bureaus, networks, or other means to any third party. Number 3, modification. You will not modify or create derivative works of Handshake AI site or any part of it. Submission. By submitting information through the Handshake AI site or email, you affirm that such submissions are accurate and non-confidential for all purposes. Additionally, you must not use the Handshake AI site in any way that causes or could potentially cause damage, is unlawful, illegal, fraudulent, harmful, involves copying, storing, hosting, transmitting, sending, publishing, or distributing any material that contains spyware, viruses, Trojan horses, worms, keystroke lodgers, or other malicious software. Any violation of these terms and conditions may result in the suspension of or termination of your access to the Handshake AI and potential legal action. So guys, after going through all these prohibited activities, I can honestly tell you that I didn't commit any of these. But what happened, I was using a proxy I had bought from IPBurger. Then it happened, my friend asked me to give him a job to task for me. Then he told me that he has a good proxy, a strong one. Then I asked him whether he bought it from IPBurger. Then what the guy told me is that he had bought the proxy from IPBurger, the proxy from IPBurger. So because I trust him, I gave him the logins in order for him to task for me. But what I did not know is that this guy was just lying to me. He had not bought the proxy from IPBurger, and the proxy just leaked and my account was exposed. It was not from the US, Okay, the proxy, my account is from the US. You can see New York City here, and the guy who was tasking for me had bought a proxy. It's a US proxy, but instead of buying static residential proxy, he bought rotational residential proxy. And the moment the moment the trust this is the trust and safety team of Handshake noticed that they had to suspend my account, and that is the reason I'm not having it right now. So guys, you can see it's suspended. I don't know what to do because I was working on it, but it's now gone. I tried to contact the support, but they told me that my account location had changed. So guys, if you have this Handshake AI account, make sure you are the one tasking, or you buy a strong proxy from IPBagger to your taskers. I'll leave the link on the description below so that you can get yourself a secure ISP proxy from IPBagger. It's better you spend a lot in getting a good proxy than getting one at a cheaper price that will cost your entire account. Like in this case, since I went through all the terms, these are around 4: reverse engineering, unauthorized distribution, modification, submission, but I had not committed any single offense that could lead my account to be suspended, because you can see they are saying any violation of these terms and conditions may result in the suspension or termination of your access. My account is suspended, but I did not commit any of these. So what could be the issue? The issue is I shared my account logins with a friend who was using a different proxy. Then the proxy was weak, and through that my account got suspended and I lost everything. Yeah, right now I got no account because of carelessness. I could have bought the IP address by myself, but because I trusted a friend, he ended up messing up everything. Yeah, so guys, next time get yourself a secure and a strong proxy that will help to secure your account. Since next time, goodbye. It was a quick one. Next time I'll elaborate more. Goodbye.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy checkmark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, Telus, OneFormer, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.